Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So basically how to add it and how to remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Of course, as you can see under it, we've got whole Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using users and accounts. So let me tap on it, and here simply tap on add account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on remove account and confirm it. As you can see, the account will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.